In this tutorial, I'm going to show you macam mana you nak engage with people on Fiverr and what is Fiverr. Fiverr is a place where you can outsource kerja yang, let's say you don't know how to do, you don't know what to do. There's a few options, ada graphic design, digital marketing, macam-macam you can read over here. And you just go to graphic and design. Let's say you want somebody untuk tolong buatkan flyer ataupun brochure. Ataupun you just want somebody to create an ebook cover. So you cari kat sini ebook cover design. See? And then dia akan keluar all of this, alright? Okay, so there are some samples of probably the work that they did. Okay, so let's say you ada budget and your budget is just $5 ataupun ringgit Malaysia. Dia ada platform ni, setiap order yang kita masukkan ada $2 platform charge, so total $7. So kat sini you letak maximum $5 if your budget is $5, and then you click apply, and then you can see what are available for $5, okay? Alright, so from here you can choose, right? Contohnya, the best way to choose is you akan try taking people yang ada banyak work. They have already done work. Macam ni, nampak? Dia dah ada 1K, maknanya review dia dah lebih daripada 1K. Maknanya dia dah buat banyak job. Why? Because then you know that at least macam orang tu dah ada proven track record. So let's say lah, I seem kind of interested in what the option of this. Let's say I'm interested in let's go with this lah. This person. Okay? So first I would do is I akan baca dekat bawah sekali ni, I akan go through some of the rating yang dia dapat. Because I really want to read what people say about this seller to make sure that I'm choosing the right one. Okay? So kat sini dia ada options dia. $5 ni dia kasih apa? Basic ebook cover, design 2D and 3D with free stock image or conversion 2D to 3D. Alright? So 3D adalah yang nampak macam buku dah. Macam ni. Yang belah kanan ni. Yang 2D is flat macam ni. Alright? Anything is okay. It's up to you kalau you nak. Right? So if you want, you just click continue. And then dia akan terus pergi ke this. Dia akan terus pergi ke payment page, and then let's say just one. So far, and then continue to check out. Nampak dia dah tambah service fee and everything. So this is the total. Ringgit Malaysia is about 27, 30 ringgit lah, lebih kurang. Okay, so you just continue to check out, and then after you dah bayar, baru order you kira macam confirm, and then from there you ada ruang untuk chat dengan the seller. So dekat Fiverr ni ada pelbagai option of what you can ask them to do. Ada video, ada music, up to you. You can explore that. But this is like where I go untuk outsource certain things yang I need more design talent lah. Okay. Alright, so have fun exploring. Any questions, just ask below in this video. I will get to it soon.